Alright, it's AJ again. I'll do a request. I got requested this yesterday to do Word on the Street. So, shout out to Christian. This one's right here.
If I tell you I'm no good, you know one line.
Yeah. Word on the street, I'm that nigga. Word on the street, you a little nigga. I don't give a damn about you. Everybody thinking that you're gonna be getting them figures. Man, I should cancel your zeros, knowing that I be that hero. I ain't saving no hoes though when I'm getting this though. When I'm spitting this flow, you don't even know. Goddamn, how you niggas get that? Knowing that I got more bars than a Kit Kat. Everything you saying, knowing that it's wit wag. This ain't even hip hop, knowing that it's hit wag. Swear to God, I got this. Nigga, can I pop this? All the swag here, nigga, you can drop this. On my G-Shock, trying to waste my time. Knowing niggas thinking that I'm in the dark, I still shine. Whatever y'all saying, you know it ain't fine. And like I hear talking shit through the grapevine. Now I don't give a damn, knowing I be getting mine. In the dark, a nigga knowing that I still shine. And now you wanna get by me, you niggas just grind me. You wonder why your other haters just stay behind me. I wanna draw, I could get me. Ain't nobody in here gonna fuck with me. Thinking that they fucking with me, have them on the floor with me. Knowing that they get busy, I put them where they're the haters that made me, so ain't no way that they can change me. And now they wanna be the one to try to rearrange me. Swear to God that I spit that raw shit. Nigga, I just talk shit. Ain't nobody gonna do nothing about this. When it's this flow right here, y'all doubted it. Now y'all wanna say shit about it. Ha, that ain't never gonna happen. This is why I always stick to rapping. And everybody talk about whipping, nigga, they ain't trapping. Ha, man, they just gun flapping. Swear to God, they better shut their mouth before I come through. Niggas don't even know what the fuck I do. Yeah, I said it and I meant it. And it's that shit that you niggas can't prevent it. Swear to God, I be that tall, y'all niggas just midget. Ha, man, you could even try to fit it. Got the wrong size when you wearing them shoes, nigga, I'm that dude. And you snooze, you lose. Or I'm wide awake. All hustle, no luck. Y'all knowing that I be the one to go up. Celebrate me, cause I couldn't give a fuck. But I don't really care, man, better get up. Got the beat jumping like hiccups. Man, you already know y'all niggas better back up. And I got the scripts, so knowing that I act up. I don't really care, man, you could've even pass up this opportunity. You niggas ain't new to me. I don't give a damn thinking that you is through to me. But I'm through with y'all, knowing that I get it all. Nigga, this is how I ball, other niggas gonna start. Ha! Procrastinate, knowing that I be the bomb because I detonate. Knowing this flow is great and ain't up for no debating. All your other niggas hating, go ahead and keep hating. When I get this money, haters just wanna envy. But I stay straight, none of y'all can even bend me. Whatever y'all say, no, it doesn't offend me. And I swear to God, none of y'all can even test me. You know who the best be. Dubtown, that's what's up, nigga. Thinking that you really getting bigger. When I come around the corner, knowing that I make it quiver. Ice on my neck and my wrist, I don't wanna make it shiver. Ha! Knowing that I'm kicking ass like Batman, knowing that I'm that man. Anybody thinking that they really is the man, they don't understand when I walk by, girl, it's like goddamn.